Hey guys, so I want to go over who this course is for, and I want to be really clear with this. This course is for you if you fall into one of the three categories below. So first, you're an aspiring commercial real estate investor. So maybe you want to go out and buy a shopping center, a multifamily apartment complex, an office building, something that is bigger than just a single family home to rent out. And you want to know how to do it. You want to go about it from an educated perspective. You want to do it the way the big institutional players do it, and you want to understand how they measure their investments and what their secrets are on how they find good deals and good investments that they put billions and billions of dollars in every year. You may also want to work in commercial real estate private equity, work on big deals, and get paid to learn. So that's actually the approach that I have taken. I love commercial real estate. I work in it on a day-to-day basis, and I'm getting paid to learn really interesting investment theories and see how the best investors in the world look at commercial real estate transactions. So if you want to work in commercial real estate, this lays the groundwork for everything that you need to know. This is all really graduate level academic work, all condensed into one class. And so this is a great opportunity for you to really gain a basic understanding of all of the aspects of commercial real estate and sound educated if you want to start applying for jobs or go to networking events or even talk to friends and family who may work in the business. And finally, if you're interested in investing as a limited partner in CRE syndications, participating in the upside without all the legwork, this is definitely the course for you. So if someone has approached you and said, hey, I want you to invest in my deal. I want you to put $10,000 or $25,000 or $50,000 into my deal, and I think it's a good deal. You're going to want to know if you believe that's a good deal. And by taking this course, you can really get a really solid understanding of how to evaluate investment opportunities when they're given to you, because this is a great way to build passive income, but you have to know what you're investing in. So it's really important to be educated as a limited partner investor, and we're going to teach you everything that you need to know at the ground level in this course.